We need to do a challenge test using a Shenyang welding machine to extend the zebra crossing by 100 meters. The machine is a 500E dual-module industrial welding machine with automatic chip and digital LED display, and it is small but powerful. The test involves a 100-meter extension of both the Hanma line and the ground line. This is not like coiling a 100-meter line we learned before. Let's begin testing today. When welding with a 4.0 electrode, the current is still strong and the fire is full of power. The ZXT5001 Industrial Dual Module Welding Challenge succeeded with excellent results.